Now there's sound. Now there's sound. I know I know there's sound now. Good deal, guys. Thanks so much for being with me. Of course, I did my whole intro with a minute and 25 seconds out. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the description or something like that. Guys, want to welcome you to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're watching this back, this is the restream, and I just want to thank you for joining. We've got a lot of stuff to do. We've got market analysis for Bitcoin, macroeconomics stuff, some stuff that I learned from the conference that I did not put in the videos that I put out. What else? We got microcap research, kind of some of the calls that we made on the live just recently, some CNFTs, some of that. And of course, we're doing some of the giveaways. I'm going to do 4 giveaways for people in the saloon. I think there was a total of about maybe 13, 14, 15 respondents onto like, hey, what I'm looking for. Like, you know, just kind of generate income, like what we think about different projects and stuff like that. So we'll be doing 4 giveaways of about $50. Saloon exclusive, only if you post in the Saloon and you followed up on that contest. I have no friends joining in on me right now. Maybe they'll hop on later. I hit them up, so we'll see if they want to join us. But I do want to talk CNFTs. I do want to talk about some recent flipping, some of my next plans. And always, hopefully, you know, if this is something for you, this is just copy. You know, I'm not giving advice. I'm just letting you know what I do. Don't sue me, okay? So I'm just trying to help as many people to their next Bitcoin while helping myself to my next Bitcoin. If you're new to this channel, my name's Aaron. I'm a journey to my next Bitcoin. Just want to say what's up to everybody. Ezra, thanks so much, guys, for letting me know about the sound. I was always learning. Samuel, what's happening? Pedro, Jackson, Mike Thomas, always my man. Alexander, Raheem, what's going on, gentlemen? Nuno, everything crypto, T-Crypt in the house. All right, good deal, guys. Good deal. We are rolling. Does anyone have any like preference to some of those vlog videos that I do? I know like this is not a vlog channel, but this is like a learning channel. Okay, this is stuff that I learn, right? I'm just cowboy exploring. Let me know in the chat, one, if you like those type of videos every once in a while. I would never make this whole channel about that, but if you want some of those like vlogish type of videos, if I'm like out and about, I might be doing more traveling. It's something that maybe I'd be open to. Give me a 1 if you want that. If 2, if not, no worries. That no one's gonna hurt my feelings. it's a-okay. Let's see here. What do we have? Okay, so we are going into Telegram. We got to go into Telegram. Let's do that quick Telegram giveaway. Let me see here. Telegram. Boop. Do you guys see this? Bam. Okay, so this is what I have. We are in the saloon, and we're just going to do the first giveaway here. Let's see. I wish I had a better way of scrolling. Let's see here. Wait a minute. That's Saran. What happened to all the posts? Do you guys see this? I'm like looking for the post. I'm just gonna give it to the first person I see. No, there's a couple I liked. Oh, here we go. That's all my reactions. I liked Deuce Finance. I liked Ezra. When you dropped Aleph 0, I thought this was a good freaking thing. I like this one. Let's see. Enterprise ready high performance network built on a novel, directed acrylic graph DAG based consensus protocol, peer reviewed. What was it that I liked? To this date, Aleph 0 raised 15 million, continued development. Oh yeah, integrate substrate. Okay. I like all this. The seed round has been largely concluded by December 20. So I like the stability of this. So Aleph 0, you're gonna get the first. Sorry, not Aleph 0. How do I reply to this? I don't know how to reply to this. Reply. Winner, send me your address. So that's 1 of 50 there. Boom. Congrats as Ezra. So that's the first one. We're going to give away 3 more. Okay. We're going to give away 3 more throughout the course of this live stream, guys. And we'll do a 1 complimentary one on this thing. No, what's pumping here, guys? Notable is a pump. Let's go take a look at the charts. How's everyone doing? What's everyone into right now? Let's take a look here. Okay, we Bitcoin right now is really down, and I picked up some at around 39.2, just a little bit. I'm still largely out of the markets right now, so this might be a good time for me to buy in. Yeah, as you guys know, I sold my Bitcoin. I've been piecing into it, and then like I've been running the whole like I've been swing trading. So when it's bouncing between 40 and 45, I've been jumping back and forth, and so I've been making smaller trades there for me. And I'm definitely gonna pick up some more just to sell at if it raises to like 44. That's my target price there to sell. So I'll probably pick up, I don't know, a bit of Bitcoin here and then sell. I shouldn't trade it coming from the Bitcoin giveaway or the Bitcoin conference. So I mean, I don't know. I'm just pretty flippant on that kind of stuff. Here's the rainbow chart. Just so you know, we are right here. This is like the middle of the road. Looking kind of small. This is just just one of those extra tools to help us decide whether or not we like the market right now. Usually trending towards this lower end is a really good time to buy, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? Like this is not exact. Yeah, we'll see. It's saying buy. It's a little cheap. Still accumulate. So that's where we're at right now. I got into a complete degen play, but the team was so cool and welcoming. I aped in. I'm starting to do ETH projects now. All right, cool. What's the play here, Chris Crypto? Let me know. Let us all know what is it and why you like it, and we'll kind of review it online here. One thing that degen play that we did on live stream was this one, Steppen. You guys remember that when Saran brought it to the channel, it was at about 179, I think 180, and I bought it at 180 right through here, about right here. And some of you guys made fun of me for that. They were like, you guys were like, oh, huh, it raised 100% or 20%, and you're buying it already. Well, if it's a good project and there's no real big pump on it, yeah, of course I'll write it. So I hit the mark. I sold it at $3, and then it came down here. So now I'm gonna see what it does. I like the sideways trade, but I'm not too sure yet. So that was a good call. Steppen was fire. It got to $3. Yeah, everything crypto. Yeah, the Steppen call was a good one. I made what did I make? Like 50% off of that one. And you guys saw it live. I bought in on one BNB. I bought on one BNB, multi 50%. So that was like what, 250? Yeah, I made about $250 off of that. So that was pretty good. Ezra, thank you, Cowboy. Perfect. I can't do you know what? I'll do the giveaway right now on live. It's all good. So let me see if I could pull that. Boom, there you are. Hold on. Let me just pull up the giveaway. Okay, there's the MetaMask. You guys can see. I'm on the Phantom Network. Let's switch to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, what am I going to give away? Let's give away the USD. Send to that address $50. Congrats, Ezra. Thanks for dropping in your comments in the saloon. Boom, just like that. That's my giveaway wallet. All right, so yeah, Ezra, thanks so much again, guys. Appreciate it. It's a pretty degen, but it was fair launch with no marketing. What is it? What's the play? Steppen was a good one. Let me see if I could pull that up. If you guys don't know what Steppen was, it's this CEO from Adidas was behind it, and I guess you equip this NFT and you start walking around and you make money. I mean, I I don't know how else to describe that. A pretty good team of advisors. Look, VP of Adidas. So yeah, I mean, this looks all really good. The backers. Oh my gosh. So the backers are really cool. I actually get to meet like venture capitalists. I don't know if you guys met venture capitalists before or like investors and stuff like that, but it is pretty sweet. I mean, And they were awesome. Like they were just awesome, high quality people. So I mean, I don't know. It's awesome. Generous man. Congrats, Ezra. Yeah. Good job, Ezra. No. This is, look, none of this is possible without y'all. And so I'm just always free to give back. I'm going to have to add it all up. I'm pretty close. I like stuff. You aped into good. So then we made money. If you aped in at the same time I did, we made some good money. I just wish now every time, you just wish whenever you ape in, it's a good call. You just wish you put in more. So it is what it is. A gain's a gain. So no problem. But yeah, what I think's happening in the market right now with Bitcoin, like stepping was good, but everything's on the downtrend right now. I think what's happening is that the Fed is really scaring a lot of people into we're going to just act more aggressively. The White House, more hawkish sentiment coming out of the White House. It's expedited. We gotta raise basis points we gotta raise interest points by double. It's like it's a lot of scare, a lot of FUD coming out in the market, and so I think that's what's affecting the Bitcoin price in the recent days. And I think that we're gonna experience more of it. I think that's what we're gonna experience more. It's hard to say where it's gonna go from here. If I were to guess, I would guess it would go up. That's where my guess is. Bitcoin is going to raise up to like 42, 43, but we're charting over multiple days. So that's kind of where I'm at. The Feds want to buy in cheap. Yeah, they do want to buy in cheap. It's so crazy. So I don't have any of the stories brought up. I don't want to even look for them, but it's basically everywhere, right? Like Jen Psaki or whatever her name is saying that the White House is considering an expedited rate or inflation and CPI inflation, stuff like that in March, because we're in April right now. So this is because of the Russian stuff. This is because of all that kind of stuff. Nuno, have a good day, bro. Have a good day. Sorry you couldn't join for a lot longer. So that's some of that. And then the Fed is coming out saying we're going to double inflation or double, what's that called? Oh gosh, what's that called? Interest rates. So yeah, we're expecting some pain in the markets, and I'm not sure if it's enough to curtail the sentiment of buying. It's always a problem. I feel like, if I were to guess, I feel like people don't care much about Russia and Ukraine right now. I think it's like a flash in the pan. They're like, oh yeah, that thing is still going on. So everything crypto, you think things are going to pump soon. It's hard to say. It's hard for me to get it with that. I have to find good projects that, that I don't know. I don't know if I could say everything's going to pump soon. I'm pretty, I don't know. We'll see. I think it'll go up from here, a small pump. But when I say pump, I mean like I'm seeing like bull run on. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. G3 Tech, what's happening, guys? Let me know, guys. Show your comments down below on the next coin to get in on. What's that degen thing? I have no idea how I'm doing my taxes. It's pretty scary. Yeah, me neither. Tell me about it. I've got taxes here. I've got two guys that I got to do taxes with. Either Gordon Law, which seems like a big law firm, or this guy who I met at the Bitcoin conference. So will Bitcoin hold 39.5? No. Golly. Yeah, it'll go from there. I think that's resistance. I think 39.5 is resistance. I think that's, or not resistance, rather support. I think it's support, and I think it'll go up shortly from here. I'm gonna predict like a 42. But heck, what do I know? You know what I mean? Like no one knows. And if for me to draw like ridiculous charts is silly. Like like how what's someone gonna do? Like here's the month. So we see, and then you just draw your freaking lines, right? There's an upward trend, and now here's the downward trend. Like what else do you want? Does it look like, golly, it's hard to say. We're sitting at 39, and a month ago we were sitting at 39. So it took a month for this little uppity thing right here. Is this a month? This is the monthly. Yeah, this is the month. How about 3 months? Yeah, so check here, peeps. So we are seeing some support like here and here. So yeah, if it drops down, we could see support That's how this is generally how people do technical analysis, right? They see the lines, they draw support at different time frames. So 39-ish, I guess, 37, 38, right around there. So it's 39.5 right now. So we're looking at a 38. If it were to drop there, that's the first big support line. Then right here is another support. So when these things happen right here, like these big spikes, they tend to be met with big buying power. So tend to, like not every time. Like, look, this one just free fell. so like I said, no one knows. And for me to pretend like I know it, it's silly. But this is just like basic chart reading. This is what people do all the time, I guess. So if you could draw like a comparison here, and I think it's silly to draw comparisons that are like too big of a time frame. But if you draw a comparison here, you have, let's see here, you have it dropping from 42,000 or so, 41,000, all the way down to 33 in January. And then another high of 44 to 44. And then another high. If this is indeed the bottom of this next cycle, like 49, you have seen higher lows, meaning a higher local higher lows, right? That's what that means. So in general, if you buy here, what this would mean is that you're now drawing a line like that going up. And so, yeah, that you could predict these lines however you could draw and predict, and anyone can draw and predict however you want. It depends on it depends on your school of thought, I guess. I mean, I think the bigger ethic is not the lines that you put on a piece of paper. It's when you are looking at the Fed and you're looking at sentiment and you're looking at like, okay, is this war going worse or better? I think, is inflation getting worse or better? Do people think about Bitcoin as a mirror to the stocks or to the stock market? Or do people think of Bitcoin as a hedge against the stock market? I'll tell you what I think. I think this is for sure. Here's how I feel: that people see Bitcoin as a risk-on speculative asset that, if is threatened with the Fed, will mirror will mirror stocks. This is not my only opinion. I know that Anthony Pump is also feels the same way. I spent about 20 minutes talking with him about this kind of stuff at the conference. He was very gracious to me, very kind guy, actually, super nice. He seems kind of mean on camera, but I think that's just like his camera persona. Off camera, he is the freaking sweetest dude, and like just such a cool guy. Anyway, that's kind of like where my philosophy on where the markets go, where crypto markets go. It's like more on speculation. And a lot of times we're dealing speculation on speculation. We're dealing on not what we think the project's going to do, but what people think about the project. You know what I'm saying? So like, dang, this fly is here. I don't know if you can see that in live. Anyway, that's kind of what I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in the live chat. Give me a 1 if you agree with me. Give me a 2 if you think I'm totally off. I think Bitcoin will head to 35K. So if you say that, so let me just challenge that, right? So if you think that it's going to head to 35K, you have to draw some kind of rationale about that, okay? So 35K would be like right here. This is 35K, right? This line. So I'm not sure if there's a big rationale for that, being that the thing was here, the support was here and here. So if you said that you think Bitcoin will go to 30, oh, that is 35. Never, oh, 34. That's 35. Never mind. Okay, this is your rationale. So that's how I know how you pick 35K, is because you're looking at this most recent local low. Okay. And then this one is, what is this? 33.7. So, and then you would probably say 34, 33 would be this local. So your prediction is that it'll go down to here. I mean, like, obviously it'll do one of these, right? But it'll hit 35 and then bounce up for more gains. But yeah, I mean, could be, right? Like, I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying this is how you draw the rationale. Yeah. BTC will pump soon. 35K is scary as hell. If it goes down that low, might even go to 30. Okay, so G3, that's what I'm saying. Like if we're saying, okay, if it goes down to 30, 35, and it could go down to 30, what'd you say, 30? Um, there's got to be, you got to justify your rationale with that, right? I'm not saying you're wrong, like I said. I'm just saying you got to justify your rationale because it hasn't hit 30 in a long time. Since July of last year, it hasn't hit 30. So for it to do that, I mean, you'd have to. I don't know. I don't know if it'll hit 30. It's hard for me to say. Yeah, it could, right? I'm not writing it off, but let's just take a look at market sentiment. Do people think that Bitcoin is a safe haven with the potential war and whatever war would mean? That's what we're talking about. Do we think that people think that Bitcoin is a safe hedge? If they do, they go in. Now, the other thing that will here's why I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, two reasons. First reason, do I think that any of these other coins out here are going to be here in 10 years? Ethereum is the biggest platform right now to build applications, but Solana is on its heels, right? Cardano is on its heels, right? What else is on there? Shoot, there's a ton. Avalanche, Phantom, Kronos, so Binance. So like, do I think Ethereum is going to be there? I don't know. Maybe. It's probably got the best chance of it. Do I think Solana is going to be there? Phantom? Maybe not. Maybe not. I have no idea. Do I think Bitcoin? Yeah. Yeah, I do think Bitcoin. Bitcoin's staying power. Think about where the world was 10 years ago. We had no idea about a pandemic. We had no idea about none of that. The markets were just getting started. Everything was heating up. So that's kind of like my time frame, 10 years. And in 10 years, do I think that governments will allow institutions, will more regulate, and that gives safety for institutions to start investing? Yeah, I do. That's why I think that, and this might be just the conference talking, but I think that Bitcoin has got like a 10x, even just a big 100x to go. I mean, when we're talking about a 10-year, 20-year, 50-year time frame. And someone said at the conference, Bitcoin's adversary is not trying to be gold; it's trying to be all equities. And so, yeah, that's my goal. That's why I keep saying one Bitcoin, guys, is because I'm not trying to get into these projects for longer than the long-term Bitcoin. I'm trying to give this stuff to my daughter. I'm trying to give this stuff to my son. So that's where I'm at. Or Kronos will beat BNB? No, I don't think so. I don't foresee Kronos beating BNB. Not anytime soon. Not without some serious help. So yeah, if there's a pump in the market now or later, will it be alts? Will pump first or Bitcoin? Oh, good call. Good question. So if you guys don't know, there's a typical cycle within crypto. Bitcoin pumps. Once Bitcoin pumps, alts tend to follow. Blue chip alts, I should say, tend to follow. Then these small cap coins, then the micro cap coins. That's typically how it works. Is that perfect? No, and it's kind of blended together with itself. So the question is, if there's a market pump, what's going to be first to go? I think the first to go is Bitcoin. I think we're in a downturn right now, and if there's a serious pump, Bitcoin will lead the way. Once Bitcoin leads the way, watch out for the alts to pump fast. That's my prediction. This is what I've seen last time. This is where I think we are right now. I think we're in a little bit of a crypto winter, not a winter fully, like a autumn, crypto fall. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully this kind of, I don't know if you agree with me. Let me know. If you don't agree with it, let me know. This is a good time to kind of go back and forth. F Bitcoin. No way, dude. No way, Keeney. We could have different opinions on Bitcoin. That's fine. We welcome all opinions here. No, there's no silencing of opinion here. But yeah, no, I'm a Bitcoin guy for sure. What else are we here? Holding is really rough road, and there's always temptation to sell. Yeah, BTC just does it. Thinks you never know. He does what it thinks. Yeah, for sure. Bitcoin just does what it thinks. Yo, this is important. We're all down on our portfolios, 100%. And yeah, I'm down. I'm down on my portfolios. I'm not sure about 85%, but compared to like November when I was really smashing it, and January, yeah, this is down definitely from there. But the thing is, everyone is. So all these crypto YouTubers, all these influencers, no one's got it all figured out. But this does what it keeps crashing, going up. Yeah, it does. It really does. Bitcoin does. There's things that will keep crashing. Yeah, it does. It does its own thing. So I don't know. Let's do another giveaway, guys. Let me pull up that saloon again. Let me pull up the saloon, guys. If you haven't joined the saloon, just join the saloon. Join. That's my argument right there. If you haven't joined the saloon, just join the saloon. Let's see. How do I do this? Here we go. All right. Ezra, so you guys saw like Ezra won. I paid. Someone said like be more transparent on the winners. I feel like I'm pretty transparent with these winners. I'm not like I don't know what do you think you want from me. Let's see what else we got here. Lucid Coin Algo. Oh, Algorand. Okay, yeah, I really like Algorand. Let me see. I liked another one that was way up here. Position Exchange. Quantic. I don't really like Quantic, and I liked, you know what? I like Tcrypt's breakdown here of Position Exchange. I like that it was low. It was like a microcap. I've never heard of it before, and I liked that it was well thought out. It was well thought out. Look at this, right? The prices right now is close to launch price. There's no vesting, and there was no vesting, and there currently is no vesting. They have a PTP, perpetual trading protocol. It sounds more like futures platform that is fully on-chain and decentralized. As we know, most trading protocols are centralized, and even decentralized ones like Dyadix still use a centralized ledger, but this is different. They also have crypto bonds launch pads. They're also fully doxed, ran advertising campaigns in Times Square twice. Tcrypt, you win. Good job. Reply. Congrats. Second winner. I thank you for the in-depth analysis. Join the send me address. Join the thing. Join the High Rollers Club, bro. Everything crypto. Good. Oh, good job, man. I forgot. Yeah, that's good. Good deal. Send it to me in Telegram so I could do that. So I could send you the winnings, because yeah, just I like a analysis. I might not even like the coin. Doesn't matter. I like that there are good people in the saloon trying to like talk about that analysis. And if you want, please join the High Rollers Club. I mean, you're gonna have to pay, but I think it's worth it. My first time winning. Yeah. So yeah, congrats, man. I appreciate it. So send it to me on Telegram for sure. But yeah, guys, if you guys want, please join the Telegram, join the saloon, and then join the High Rollers Club if you guys want to be part of like the inner circle, the inner sanctum. I appreciate it. So let's keep it going. I want to talk more about CNFTs. Are you guys? Have I won you guys over? Have I won you guys over to CNFTs? I just recently bought this one. This is so silly. Tcrypt, thanks for sending it to me. I'll send it to you in a second. I mean, remember, I don't know if you guys remember talking about this like horse thing. We were so like floored by like what we were looking at. Oh shoot, I'm not even online. There we go. Okay, I bought this horse. This is my horse now. I don't know why. I don't know why I spent that much ADA on a horse, but I think I could flip it. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna sell for 500, 550. Sell for 550. Listing. Sign. All right, boom. So I just listed that for 550. You should know I bought this for 340. Okay. So I just listed for 550 and I bought it for 340. So that will be a gain of about 200 ADA. So hopefully hopefully that'll be worth it. I still had this Clay Nation thing. I don't know if you guys remember, Tal Crypto was here and he was helping me out. But Clay Nation, I went to, where did I go? This one? I guess it's this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I finally got this working, and this is my my wallet here. You guys can like scope my wallets. I'm one of the most transparent people. But anyway, I got the Clay Nation because they were dropping, I guess, lands for, I don't know. Like, why would I buy lands? I have no idea. Sonic Village. I don't even know what this means. And I'm sure if I have like the CNFT guys on here, they're gonna school me. And as well they should. I want to be schooled. I want to learn more. But I don't know what to do with this. You know what I'm saying? It's like a clay plot of land. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this, you know? I have no idea. So whatever. I don't freaking know. Okay, let me answer some questions. Yeah, Luke Bajan. Yeah, so the Catcoin giveaway. Let me show you what I had to deal with the Catcoin giveaway. And it was kind of my fault. I should have known better. I should have. YouTube. Catcoin. I'm sure I'm one of the top ones that pop up. Boom. Yes. This is my YouTube. SEO powers. Okay, there's my ugly mug. Look at this. I was doing a giveaway from Catcoin, but I was hit with 1,000 comments. Okay. Doesn't make any sense. I can't. What do you want from me, guys? I'm a Yahoo with a hat that talks to a camera. How am I supposed to comb through? And I don't know how this worked, but I was in here and I saw 1,200 comments, and then it went down to 1,000 comments. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Catcoin community is huge, full of spam bots. So here's what I didn't want to do. I didn't want to go through the comments and reward a spam botter. Okay, that's just not what I wanted to do. So what I did was I was on like the inner circle, the what's it called, the High Rollers Club. I was in there. I was giving out to a lot of the High Rollers Club members. I was giving it out to different members of the communities, like who was it, like the Catcoin communities and stuff like that. So I give it to. I even met a guy from Catcoin at the Bitcoin conference. We took a picture and everything, so it was really sweet. So the reason why I did not give away to the comments here is it's obviously not fair. Obviously, I would have picked out, if it was random, the likelihood of me picking out a spam botter far too high. So what instead I opted for was people who would do it live with me, or people who has been in who I owed giveaways to, because there was a few people who did. So I just sent it to them, and so that's just what I decided to do. I couldn't give away. I couldn't find myself giving it away to the 1,000 comments here, because it's like, I mean, I'm sure like the real people missed out too, and it really is a shame. Like I know Keith Chan is not a see, like I couldn't even see Keith's channel, like right here, like I couldn't, you know what I mean? So it's too much. It was too much. So I just couldn't do that. A lot of scammers have made multiple accounts to comment on these videos. If we could find the person, we should kick them from the saloon. Out of saloon. Oops. No, I agree with you. We should kick them out. And I have no problem kicking people out. I'd rather have a small quality group of people than a large group of vanity metrics. That doesn't make sense to me. And so that's just what I had to do. Sorry if it upset you or whatever. So, and I'm over, like, I've had people like try to harass me for their winnings. I'm like, I don't have to give you nothing, man. You're crazy. I like this question. What do you think about Telos? Whenever Telos comes up, I am always down to talk about Telos. Why? Because that was the first. Yeah, it's 73 cents. Oh no. I remember I bought it at like 10 cents, I think it was. No, 4 or something like that. Like a year ago, like down here. Oh yeah, okay. It was like, no, it might have been I think it was right around. No, it was like 10, 12 cents. It was like right around here is when I bought it. When I had that interview with Douglas Horn, It was like an hour and a half long video. He was talking completely over my head. I literally was trying to invent the term lizard brain during the thing. And so I made a cool, I think I held it, I think I held it all the way. I made cool like a 10x on it, which is great. I've sold since then, and then I rebought in at like what a not a dollar, like I think January, what in January. I think it was on this run up, like 70 or I think about it at 70 cents, 70 or 80 cents. I'm close, right around here. So it being at 70 cents now, it's kind of painful because I have like big hopes for it. But yeah, Telos is legit. I feel like I missed out on Telos. It was 5 cents, ran up to the third. You remember that? Yeah, I mean, like for real. Like man, I make some good calls sometimes, and like the calls are just the calls are good. It's just that you gotta be a little patient. The time frame is it's very hard to predict in crypto. So like when I was meeting with Douglas and I saw him tweeting every single day about Telos, you just know you have a good team behind that project. And if you have a good team and you have a project and you have real genius behind there, yeah, you should be in it. So yeah, I made a 10x there, pretty much a 10x. I don't want to like say like I'm this genius caller. I am pretty good at picking out projects that I like. I have a good feel of feeling people out on the AMAs. So yeah, I mean like, but it's like I can't tell you when to enter and exit. That's like not only is the project good and the team good, those are like two separate pieces that are huge, but also entry and exit. So you're dealing with four like very difficult variables, which makes it very difficult to predict. And that's why no one should be making like bragging, right? Like that's the thing. No one should be bragging because of every one winner that I've had like multiple of like maybe 5 losers. So I'm just being honest, right? I'm not some genius trader. Like I picked up Orion. That's some game just tanked. I remember that every time I see that in my wallet because I don't sell. It's just like sitting there. It's painful. Um, Lossless was a good one. I remember that. You guys are really picking out the ones that were far in my YouTube journey here. Lossless. That's a good. I think I remember that being a good one. Uh, I forgot what that was about though. Oh, let me see. Cowboys. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's a good one. Has it doing good? I don't even know. Let's see. 53 cents from when? When was my video? 5 months ago? When was 5 months ago? October 27. Okay. This is how you do research right here, just on myself. I'm doing research on myself. October 27. Oh boy, that's not looking good. Oh man, I picked it up at the height. I hope I didn't buy that. I don't remember. I think I did. October 27. It was right after the spike. So yeah, this is where October 27 was right here. I might have made that video like the day or two before, so it's probably right here. And ever since then, it's a downturn. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. So if you picked it up on when my video came out, you're just in the red. So like, but is this a good project? Yeah, I think it's a good project. Can it still come back? Yeah, I think so. We'll see. Time will tell, right? Time will tell. Heroes and Empires, they're launching a game on 18th. It's gone down 95. Oh, I do remember that. They're launching the game on 18th. I might want to buy in if they're down 95% because that's a good game. Heroes and Empires. This is a good this is good. Like we're going back 2 cents. When did I buy that? I know I bought it, but I don't remember how much. Wow. Wow, I had high hopes for this game. I still do. What about Pulse Chain? Best crypto game. So this is good. I'm glad, guys. I'm glad we're doing this. Let's see here. So let's see. Do you have links for Solana NFTs? I need to learn about that stuff. Yeah, we'll go through this kind of stuff. So let me just make sure. When did I buy that? I think I sold actually. I bet you if I look at PooCoin, I'll see when I bought and when I sold. I'm pretty sure. Man, I've like high hopes for this game. I might just want to buy it and then play the game and stuff like that. Let me see PooCoin. Poop coin. I'm pretty sure I made money on this, but I don't want to like say I did and I didn't. If I'm correct, here's poo coin. Here's the poo. Oh yeah, dude, check that out, guys. Look at that. Okay, here's how I made money. So I'm not sure. You could see when I bought right here, and then I sold right there. So I don't know what that difference is, but yeah, I guess I made a good call there. People in the TD say it's now a pay-to-play game. Oh no, for heroes? Dang, and I timed it nicely too. Look at that. It went straight down from here. So this was my buy, and this is my sell. I should really start posting more of my buys and sells. But yeah, that's freaking good. Good job, Aaron. So yeah, I don't know why, that's pretty close to the top, and that's about as, I mean, I could have bottomed out here, but I held, and there's no other coins. Yeah, like this is just what I did. So yeah, good deal. I hope you guys didn't, but when did that come out? 5 months ago. That must have been October. Dang, October was a wreck month, dude, guys, because if October was the high. So I might have just like, let's see, October, November, December, October. Okay, so I made it like right when so okay, right when, so if you guys bought when I bought, I don't really publish my sales, I guess, that often, but yeah, if you bought when I bought, this is October. That's pretty good. So I mean, I'm not perfect, guys. I mean, you saw the other one. You saw a loss list. So I just put out the video whenever I come up, whenever it hits my desk, and I'm like, okay, yeah, let's check it out. What else we got? PayBolt. You know what? Let's see. Let's check out. I'm working out a deal with PayBolt right now. I'm gonna be biased with PayBolt because PayBolt. I'm working out a deal where and this is like super in the works, so if I'm not allowed to say this, James might be angry at me, but I was really in love with the team and James and their commitment to it. I heard all about like the rebranding and the market hack or whatever. They didn't get hacked, but the centralized market that they were on was hacked, and so it affected everything. So I'm working on a deal with PayBolt to like resell, to educate and resell their PayBolt system. Okay, that's what it's just bias. That's what I'm going to do. So right now, I guess it's bottomed out right now. 0003. Yeah. Should I buy in? I've been looking for a good time to buy in, and I'm guessing this is going to be as good a time as any. It's hard to say right now because you need to get farming on sunflower land. I don't know what sunflower land is, Jerome. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so PayBolt, I'm trying to figure out what I want to say about PayBolt. That's what I'm really like stalling. I think PayBolt's a great team. PayBolt's a great thing. I think that the market demand, or the market right now with Bitcoin and like the smaller cap, micro cap altcoin stuff, it's very difficult to break out of that. So I'm in it for the long term here. So that's my thing. I'm on it. eCash is a good coin. Is it a good coin? Wow, you guys are really shilling me here. Let me just hit up Jerome here really fast. Jerome, you crypto need farming on sunflower. I don't know what sunflower land is. Sunflower land, but I like games. I mean, I don't know what sunflower land is. Is it play to own blockchain farming game simulation on Polygon? What the hell is this? What is this, Baby Yodas? What is going on? I mean, I'm sure this is a good game, right? But I'm not down. I don't like playing these games. I'm not sure, man. You're gonna have to show me like what happened. Like, is it a game? Is it up and running? Okay, 30,000 have been minted. Look, I'm gonna reserve my initial reaction was harsh. I don't mean to react like that. Okay. It was harsh. It was harsh. But it's like, come on, what am I looking at here? What do you got? What do you got me playing? You know what I'm saying? Like when okay, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right. Why am I playing this thing? Okay. And people work hard on it. Okay, no problem. What is that? Like Baby Yoda with a turnip and like a little guy. Lots of Baby Yodas. He looks like the tree's hugging him, or he's tied to the tree or something like that. And the Baby Yodas are trying to kill him. I think those are chickens. Is this like Farmville? You know what I'm saying? Like, or I could play like Heroes. Where's that? Heroes and my ugly mug. Heroes and what's this called? Cowboys. Heroes and Cowboys. Like this looks legit. Like, oh, not that guy. Get out of here. I don't need you. Give me some gameplay. Oh my gosh, people do AMA so boring. Let's see. Look at this. Okay, here's some gameplay. That looks awesome. Can you not say that that doesn't look awesome? Right? So like if I'm looking at that, if I'm like wanting to play a game and I look at this on the iOS and I look at this, you know, like, and I'm looking here and you got some people here. These are people who are probably like the developers and stuff like that. They do a good job. Okay. And we should have them on as an AMA. And then you got, but at some point I got to just like, let me just look at the game. You know what I'm saying? So no, I'm not gonna get into Sunflower Land. But maybe it's unfair. Maybe I need to talk with the developers. I hope that's a fair reaction for this thing. What is happening? Oh, am I chopping wood? Oh golly, I'm tired of these games, man. Honestly, I'm just tired of them. If I own a Nintendo DS, I'd say it looks awesome too. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I mean, it's just where I'm at right now. You know, it's just where I'm at. So yeah, thanks for letting me see Sunflower Land. Anyone else got anything? Like Harvest Moon. I just H&E played that before. Token is down big. Don't think it's gonna go back up. It may be. I mean, yeah, you could be right too. G3. I just think that it looks good. Like I think it looks good. That's all. So I'm not sure about token or anything like that. I just think it looks good. That's all. Look at this thing. It's so clean, so clean. So yeah, it's like DeFi Kingdoms. I think. What's DeFi Kingdoms? I don't know what that is either. Let's check it out. DeFi Kingdoms. I'm not too sure if I like anything with the crypto terms in the game. It doesn't seem right to me. It seems like you're just trying too hard. Okay, I got two plays. One is very degen, and the other one is actually decent. Which one do you want to see? Both, bro. Chris, give me both. Let's do this DeFi Kingdom thing first, but then yeah, put those in the chat. I'll bring them up. I guess this is it. Oh, I'm a bit of a nerd, so. But well, this I kind of vibe with this. What'd that say? 500 million total bridged volume. Don't know what that means. 1 billion market cap. Are you serious? That's awesome. Total bridge. Okay, what is DeFi Kingdoms? I'm feeling DeFi Kingdoms right now. 1 billion market cap. I know it kind of looks like the pixelated stuff. Ooh, what's this? Happening now, snapshot to win one of 100 Gen 0 NFTs to make you show your total crystal rewards. That looks cool. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. Top 5 game projects look out for in 2022. Oh, who gave me DeFi Kingdom? Who said this? DeFi Kingdom is number 2, huh? An argument can be made for DeFi Kingdoms to be the most complete play-to-earn game in GameFi ecosystem. It's not ahead of Axie Infinity yet in terms of market capitalization, and lifetime value in NFT sales. But outside of that, DeFi Kingdoms has created a unique gameplay mix with DeFi functionalities that prove to be. I mean, like I'm a bit of a nerd, so I like that Kingdom-esque look. I don't really vibe with a farmer look. You know what I'm saying? So that might be why. Equal value proposition for DeFi Kingdoms players will be raise their level in-game NFT heroes participating in daily quests. You know what? Oh, I'm feeling DeFi Kingdom. Is that too wrong? April DeFi. Okay, so let's take a look at the where's it at? How do I learn more? 8 almost 3 zeros on launch. DeFi Kingdom super bullish. Look at, I could start playing. Oh, you're gonna win me over, dude. You are gonna win me over. How do I play? Tour. Check out Crystal Vale. What is Serendale? Serendale. This just became a gaming channel, guys. Does it cost me money? You'll need 1 Serendale in order to complete any transactions. Okay, I guess I'll buy a Serendale. $100? What the frick? What do you want $100 from me for, dude? How do I? Okay, this looks awesome, guys. Starting at 300 million market cap, DeFi Kingdom looks clean. This looks clean. How do I buy a Serendale? Yeah, I need to buy 1 No, in the sage. Hold up, traveler. It looks like you don't have any 1 in your pocket. If you're looking to make trades, buy heroes, do pretty much anything in Serendale, you must purchase 1 Serendale here or later at the docks. Okay, how do I do that? See, now this is a bit of a problem because I'm literally here trying to play this game and it doesn't. Where are you coming from? Click on the chain below. I guess Avalanche. I have some stuff on Avalanche. How do I get started from AVAX user? Okay. Swap for more Jewel. Okay, step 1, bridge. Okay, I got that. Once you bridge, you have a small amount of gas fee. Swap your AVAX for Jewel at the marketplace. Okay. And then I gotta, okay. And then do I buy a, what is a Serendy? What did I have to buy? I just gotta buy jewels. Okay. Do I have to buy a hero? Fully diluted market cap. Sorry, I didn't even check this, like the stats on this stuff. How do I go DeFi Kingdom? Okay, DeFi Kingdom. $4. Okay, not bad, not bad. What's the other one? Okay, that's not it. So it's a $4 thing. Harmony 1 and Avalanche. Oh, it's on Ethereum too. Okay, looks like it's down. That looks good. Dang, whoever bought Jewel at $19. So we're picking up some cheap Jewel here. What exchanges? I guess USDC on, I don't know what that is. I guess on Avalanche. Okay, I guess I got to figure this out. Fully down. Yeah, I mean, like I'm super about this right now. I'm gonna have to try to figure this out. If anyone has any like advice, it's a good time to pick some up. Yeah, almost looks like RuneScape type of world. Yeah, I love RuneScape. Okay, so like right here. It's you need 1 in Serendale to, I don't know what that means. 1 jewel? What am I buying here? Florida state is not supported. Of course I'm not supported. Of course. Maybe I could do like my VPN. And I need Harmony. I don't even play on the Harmony chain. Can I play on the AVAX chain? I'm so confused. Maybe I should like, yeah, sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure this out. Like you see me figure this out stuff all the time. It's a good time to pick up some. Florida state is not supported. Okay. 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 What do I do? How do I play this game? I'm very interested. Let me do some research, guys. Do I have to give out another giveaway? Let's give another giveaway out. DeFi Kingdom. Hey, whoever made that, good call. There's a lot of turn on my VPN. Yeah, I should turn on my VPN, huh? But then like sometimes I run into the thing of putting in the credit card and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll turn on the VPN. I'll do it off camera, and we'll play this again next time. I think every project has to create tutorial for how to use platform and how to play it. It's easy to use. How to buy it. It's easy to use. Yeah, and you guys just saw me. I'm like lizard brain. I'm not dumb. I'm just lizard brain. So like if I want to play, like it should be the first things. Start playing like how to enter Crystal. I guess this way. Click on the chain below. Avalanche. How to get started with an avalanche. If your wallet is already configured out, your first stop will be DeFi. Oh, okay. Games going to enter the outpost. Okay, great. Okay, I don't have that. See, that's what I'm saying. This is a little bit of a misnomer. I am already configured for Avalanche. I already have it on here because I played with something on Avalanche. I forgot. New user. Also helpful for a new user. Off. They are listening. Huh? Listening. DeFi Kingdom? Ecash and GoChain, Aaron, please. Hold on, man. This DeFi Kingdom right here, man. This DeFi Kingdom. I'm about this right now. Yeah, let me just figure this out. It's a little harder. It's not exactly what, I'm configured Avalanche. Your first stop will be DeFi Kingdoms games. But then I go here, and then now they're asking, I'm in Florida. Do I have to have Avalanche, AVAX in my wallet? Is that what it is? Or Jewel in my wallet? Or whatever. Okay, whatever. Guys, let's give away a one last one. Did I give 2 or 3? I don't remember. Let's do it again. Congrats. It always looks dumb. You think it'll bounce back up? I have no idea. Vivek Algorand. I like the algorithm. Man, I might just give it to you. Look at this. Oh, I haven't sent yours yet? Oh, my bad. Sorry. I got caught up in DeFi Kingdom. Look, this is how it happens for me. Oh, right there. Okay, gotcha. Congrats, T-Crypt. Appreciate it. Got you, dog. Got you. I'm on the Harmony mainnet. What is going on? Binance. Can you guys see this? How do I... Here we go. Look, I don't mess around, guys. Like, I hope I earn your trust every single time I do this. Because I work to earn your trust. I don't expect to just have it for free. That is hopefully it. Yeah, right. 5F FE8F. That's it. FE8F. All right, cool. Congrats, T-Crypt. Appreciate it. Let's see. Stop sharing, and let's share it again with the next Telegram winner. Let's see what else we got, boys. What else we got? Let's do another one. I'm just gonna go to Lucid. I liked, okay, Algorand. First of all, I already like the project. I like Algorand. And second of all, I like how you broke it down here. It's very in depth. There's a lot of like, you gave a good synopsis here. Everything, this is so good. I really appreciate how you write. So good job. Congrats, you win. Send DM. Thanks for the insight. The insight. Blammo. Okay, cool. So did you guys not see that? Okay, yeah. So you saw me at the bottom there. Just sent it. So it's the third winner. Oh shoot, it's an hour. Gosh, time went by fast here. I hope you guys. Was this entertaining for you? Give me a 1 if this was entertaining. Give me a 2 if it's not. Because then I'll just have like different people on and stuff like that. So I really appreciate it. One last thing, I wanted like showcase some of that CNFT stuff. Where's the CNFT stuff? Yeah, so here's this CNFTs before I got off on like Sonic Village. Oh, it got Sonic Village to Sunflower, Sunflower to DeFi Kingdoms. That's how it got. It's just a winding thing. Um, oh yeah, I want to show you. I wonder if I sold. That'd be awesome if I sold like live. Okay, so yeah, I bought for 340. I'm listing it for 550. Let's see if it sells. But I did buy some of this stuff. Like I think that was last time. This is like my latest flip, 399 to 499. If you see that there, so I made 100 ADA there. I made a TikTok of it. If you guys like follow me on TikTok, yeah, good deal. And then I sold this one right here too. I bought it for 450 and I sold it for 540. So that was 100, like 100 ADA difference or whatever. So yeah. Oh, sorry, that's not the sell. This is the sell right here. Boom. 540, bought it for 450. So yeah, just trying my game at the flipping. So I've made 2 successful flips here. Boom. Now that's all in Yummy. Hopefully I can make this flip too. Hopefully. We'll see if that works. That would be my biggest flip so far. So yeah, that'd be great. Okay, cool. Does anyone have any like questions for me? Anything I could answer? Anything like that? Oh, once. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Korean #1 BTC trader liquidate his $300 million in live stream. Seriously? Who's that? Who did this? $300 million? Golly. Oh, once, guys. Thank you so much. You guys make it you guys make it fun and you guys make it interesting for me. And I love the Cowboys. I love the community that we got. I really do feel like I love seeing the same names and faces and being like, oh yeah, I know T Crypto. Like, you guys got to, for my sake, keep the same image and keep the same name. Otherwise, everything crypto and T Crypto, I'm like, I don't remember. Like, I can't. I could hardly remember. Like, you're gonna give me 2 names to remember? That's rough, man. He's gonna regret it. Yeah. He's probably bought back in. Oh, probably. That's hilarious if he did. You'd liquidate. I wonder what he liquidated at. Like probably like if he's smart, 45, right? 45K and buys in at 39. You just made what 10% or whatever it is. So yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, guys, let me know about any newer projects. Okay, I got some questions for y'all. What do you guys want to see more of? Do you want to see more like me trying to flip some CNFTs, some gaming stuff, some DeFi protocol stuff, all that kind of. What do you want to do? Also, there's a lot of like, I think I'm really close to giving away that Bitcoin. I think I'm at like 32,000, maybe more. I just did an AMA with a project called Fan Fury right now. Let me just pull that up because it like, I plan on buying in on this project because it's just a good project. Fury.fan. It's like sports betting, fantasy sports betting. Dang, that looks good. DeFi Kingdom. Look at that snake that's right there. Golly, I need to figure out that DeFi Kingdom. But Fan Fury, I'm not just shilling. I actually like this. You can't buy in yet. They're gonna launch with a fair launch, so it hasn't even started. So I'm not shilling if this hasn't even started. Right? I don't even own it. So Solana NFTs. Let me find who's the #1 Solana NFT flipper. I want to talk to him. Let's interview him. Solana NFT. Oh, here we go. Euclid's in the house. There we go. Is that how you sell? My first time winning, though. Boom. My first time winning. Congratulations, Euclid. Look at this, guys. He's the first time winners. So this is good stuff. Let me send it over. Hold on. Yes, send. Boop. Oh, brother, that's a TK. That's Tron. I ain't got Tron, dude. You got to get a Binance Smart Chain wallet. Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain. Get that on. Either way, your content is always entertaining. That being said, it's always great to see projects that we can get on the ground floor. Okay, good. Okay, good. So early projects. Yeah, I really like that fan fury. That's something that I am trusting. Thanks. I hope I'm entertaining to some kind of degree for you guys. Like I really am. I don't want it to be boring or whatever. So Fan Fury is a interesting project because I just interviewed the guy, the AMA. We went for about an hour, which is a little longer than I like, but he was just so passionate. After the AMA, this is just for you guys. After the AMA, Adrian, the guy I interviewed, he was like in tears. He was like, "Ugh, this is like a dream come true, man. Like I'm just working on this project and when I hear like a developer say that this is a dream come true, I'm trying to make my dreams come true. I'm like, bet. I freaking like that. You know, I'm not shy about that. So yeah, I freaking like that a lot. And when you give someone their livelihood, their dreams, and all that stuff, you could bet that they'll like really chomp at the bit to try to make everything they can happen. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much. I'm the Algorand winner. Iguanu Charles. Oh, great. Good for you, man. Congratulations. Thanks you so much for putting that stuff in there. Thanks for the analysis. Guys, if you drop in more analysis, we'll do more giveaways and stuff like that. I just want to do something for the saloon and stuff. Really quick, if you guys are in the saloon, please thank CryptoTick. He works really hard to make that saloon, like to get all the scammers out, to promote conversation and stuff like that. Please just thank him in the saloon. We really appreciate it. A couple other things, if you guys are interested in there's another like other whale wallets and stuff too. We got a lot of like house cleaning stuff, guys. We haven't, every time I have people on, I'm just always talking about the people, and like as I well should be, like invest in the people. But there's so much going on. There's like little different communities and groups. So join the High Rollers Club, join the saloon, join this Cowboys of Crypto. Join the website, become a free cowboy there. It's like if you want like that's my dashboard. We got like probably around 400 people in there, so which is great, and there's some exclusives here. Totally free. I just like the whale wallets and stuff like that. I should do another giveaway. Maybe that'll promote it. So like you can go here and there's a whole bunch of the whale wallets that you could just take the address and like kind of see where, you know, what video I made on it or whatever. This kind of looks weird, looks ugly, but it is what it is. Something with the formatting. Anyways, guys, yeah. Because I'm on here a long time. How do I take this off? Okay, I think there you go. Do I need a docs to do that? Yes, you do. 100%. That's part of the deal with the High Rollers Club. We want to make sure that they're good people in there. There's no video or anything, like we're not recording anything. So you just have to docs to me and or Saran, and that's how we're doing it. So yeah, hope you picking your old giveaway winners soon. Which one? I'm waiting for the 2300 giveaway. 2300. No, Jackson, sorry, you could watch. I made that announcement earlier on this video. The reason why for the cat coin 2300 one was because I got hit with 1,000, literally 1,000 comments by spam botters, and I couldn't justify giving away $2,300 to a spam botter because it could all just be one person just spamming the heck out of that video. So I just gave it to the High Rollers Club, and I gave it to like some of the closer people in the, you know, the groups and stuff like that. So that was just my call in the moment. I was like, the only the spammers are gonna win. So I couldn't do that. But yeah. I'm really about just like a genuine quality community, not spam, not vanity metrics. I don't care about any of that. So, dude, I bought a cowboy hat just for that. For what? For what? Who are you, Crypto? For what? I'll have you. You want to be on? If you want to be on, we'll put you on. We'll be later. Let's put you on later. Let's do a cowboy hat. Let's do it later because it's late and I'm tired. And I still have to make another video. I have a whole outfit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And then we'll see you in the next live stream. See you in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe. That's how I know it's getting late.